everyone, this is Manjunath and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be telling you the total cost to set up a BV380 farm. Before that, let me feed all the birds here and let's continue with the video. So now, coming back to the topic, so let's discuss the total cost to set up a BV380 farm. So here, I'll be telling you the total cost to set up a 1000 bird farm. So for 1000 bird farm, we'll need 4 different items or products. So the first one being the shed itself. The shed depends on how you construct it and the quality of the materials which you use. So on an average, a good quality shed would cost you around between 2.5 to 3 lakhs for 1000 birds. So that's around 60 feet into 23 feet size. That's around 1200 square feet. And the second thing is the cages. So you can do it without the cages as well, but if you do it with the cages, you will be getting a good result. So for the cages, for a good quality cages, like mine, you would need around 2 lakhs for 1000 birds. Third, the birds. The birds again depends on you. So are you gonna get a laying stage in, or are you gonna get a 1 day chick and grow them till they start laying? So that depends on you. If you are getting a laying stage in, it would cost you around 400 rupees per bird. And if you are getting a day old chick, so you will have to grow it for 21 weeks. So the hens start laying at around 21 weeks. So if you are buying a laying stage hen, it would cost you around 400 rupees per bird. So 1000 birds again into 400 would be around 4 lakhs. If you are getting a chick and then you growing it till the laying stage, so that would cost you around 250 rupees to 270 rupees per bird. That would be around 2 lakh 70,000. So after all these three, you need feed for the birds. The feed is the most important part here. So the feed again for 1 month, you should have a reserve for 1 month. So for 1 month you will need approximately around 120 kilos per day. So 120 kilos per day would be around approximately to 2700 rupees. Let's round it off to 3000 rupees in case there's any variation up and down of the feed prices. So daily around 3000 rupees of feed you will require. So 3000 into 30 days would be around 90,000 for 1 month. So the total cost to set up a 1000 bird BV380 farm would be 2.5 lakhs for the shed, 2 lakhs for the cages. In case if you are using the cages, if you are going for a deep litter system, you might not need a uh, expenditure on the cages. Third, third is the birds. So if you are going for a laying stage in, you will be requiring around 4 lakhs for the birds. And the fourth, the feed. Feed could be little 10% less, 10% more. It would be around 90,000 for the first month. So once you start doing it, the money which you get from the eggs, you can again take the profit out of it and again put the leftover money into the feed. So the first month you must have a reserve feed for the whole month. So that is approximately 90,000 rupees. So the total cost is 2.5 lakhs plus 2 lakhs for the cages, that's 4.5 lakhs. Then again for 4 lakhs for the birds in case if you are buying a laying stage in, and 90,000 for the feed. That would come up to 2.5, 4.5, 8.5, 8.5, 9.4 lakhs. Approximately you will need a 9.5 lakhs to start a 1000 bird BV380 farm. So in case if you are going for deep litter system, and also if you are reducing the cost by getting a day old chick, so there in the cages will be reducing 2 lakhs, and for the birds again you will be reducing around 1.25 to 1.3 lakhs. That's 3.3 lakhs you can save from the money. So 9.5 minus 3.3, it would cost you around 6.2. Again if you just round it off to 6.5 lakhs. So for the deep litter system you will need around 6.5 lakhs, and for the cage system you will need around 9.5 lakhs initially to set up the farm and get the egg production going. So I wouldn't suggest you to go with the deep litter system because it's very hard to manage, and this you can't get proper production of the eggs, and there's too much of damage of the eggs. So in the cage system, it's just 1% damage. In the deep litter system, it can go to 10% to 30%. In the worst cases, it could be 70 to 80%. 80% of the eggs which you produce would be damaged. So it's always better to go with the cage system where you can control the birds. So that's it. So to start a 1000 bird BV380 farm, you will need around 9.5 lakhs for a cage system and 6.36 to 6.5 lakhs for the deep litter system. In the next video, I'll tell you how to market the eggs and how much you can earn from this BV380 farm. So till then, take care and have a great day.